Smartphones have become an integral part of our daily lives. At the heart of every smartphone lies a symphony of components. The processor, often referred to as the brain of the smartphone, handles everything from running applications to enabling advanced features. Complementing the processor is the memory system, which includes RAM for multitasking and storage for data. Smartphones have revolutionized the way we consume visuals, with technologies like LCD, OLED, and the latest AMOLED displays. Powering these technological wonders are lithium-ion batteries, which have undergone significant advancements in capacity and charging speeds. Smartphones have transformed the way we capture and share memories, with advanced camera components enabling stunning photos and videos. Modern smartphones are equipped with a plethora of sensors and peripherals that enhance our user experience. Wireless communication systems, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and cellular networks, enable seamless connectivity, allowing us to stay connected from virtually anywhere. When we consider the intricate integration of these components, it becomes evident that modern smartphones are true engineering marvels. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more remarkable advancements in smartphone technology, from foldable displays and advanced AI capabilities to improved battery life and enhanced camera performance. In conclusion, modern smartphones are not just devices. They are a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess.